Bullish REN cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 33 cents and 73 cents by 2030. Market experts accept REN could reach 33 cents by 2025. Bearish REN market cost expectation for 2022 is 5 cents. REN presentation. REN is a local area-driven open-source convention. It has empowered its clients to get their resources across stages. This symbolic development creates cross-chain liquidity. The convention's zero information innovation is planned to give interoperability. REN's primary objective is to make DeFi more available by tending to the liquidity gives that blockchains face. REN has saved its clients the additional step of changing over their tokens into wrapped forms. It has empowered decentralized finance ventures to incorporate unfamiliar cryptos in their resource contribution. Individuals value the simplicity of moving their tokens between blockchains without changing them over completely to their wrapped rendition, for example, wrapped Ethereum for Ethereum. Dull hubs are machines that run the REN blockchain and power the REN organization, an organization of virtual PCs including the REN-VM machine. This digital money guide will uncover all that you really want about REN and its elements. In any case, our essential spotlight will stay on the REN cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is the REN? REN biological system makes and works protection-saving applications in light of zero information confirmation. This convention requires a party to unveil the data it has without imperiling its security. This stage permits decentralized applications to run as expected with secure info that isn't noticeable even to organized members. Practical layers of the REN stage. The REN convention is separated into 3 useful layers. Zero information layer. The zero information layer permits exchanges in the blockchains. This layer administrations like putting away and moving the digital forms of money without uncovering the exchange add up to different members on the organization. Interoperability layer. The interoperability layer is an expansion of the zero information layer. It gives the execution of exchanging tokens across various blockchains. This layer goes about as a street for tokens to move from one stage to the next, making their exchanging conceivable. Dark pool layer. The dull pool layer permits private exchanges by allowing clients to open requests. In any case, it doesn't expect clients to share the request cost or volume. All things considered, clients settle request matches without uncovering such data to some other party, including the actual stage. What is the objective of REN? REN will probably furnish its clients with administration interoperability by permitting them to move cryptos across blockchain. It empowers clients to get different digital forms of money into the REN programming to mint ERC20 comparable tokens on the Ethereum stage in a 1-to-1 proportion. What's more, the REN convention permits clients to involve recently changed over coins as DeFi items for different purposes while keeping their unique resources secure in the REN programming. How does REN work? The REN stage is controlled by the REN virtual machine, otherwise called REN-VM, a decentralized organization of machines that powers it. Dark nodes are machines that give computational power and capacity to REN-VM in return for charges. This cycle empowers cryptographic money exchanging and development across blockchains. Clients get a BTC for every token printed. IMX use case. There is no particular use case for the REN token. It is a connection for the dark node, expanding the convention's security and versatility. Notwithstanding, as the quantity of dark node administrators develops, the REN cost and market capitalization will rise, making REN an effective crypto stage. REN coin outline. REN's ticker image is REN. It goes about as an extension for the dark node, which powers REN-VM. Clients are compensated for their endeavors on the dark nodes. Many trades, including Coinbase, Binance, and Huobi worldwide, acknowledge REN coin exchanging, purchasing, and selling. They are sold in digital currency, fiat, and stable coin matches. Clients utilize their wallets to send and get REN coins, regardless of REN coins permitting exchanging through advanced wallets. REN current cost. REN is at present worth 7 cents USD. REN has moved 10.17% as of now with an exchanging volume of $31,062,031. REN is at present positioned 197 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $78,932,058 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for REN to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Could it be said that you are searching for REN cost expectations for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030 and need to understand where REN costs can go from here on out? We'll take a gander at the verifiable REN cost and see what specialized examination recommends about the REN cost figure. The REN value expectations are exclusively founded on specialized examination, and I will utilize a progression of specialized markers like moving midpoints, trend lines, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, and MACD to decide the REN cost forecast. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous REN market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. REN Value Expectation 2022. REN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The REN cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 11 cents. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 10 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. REN is supposed to have a base worth of 8 cents. REN Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, REN cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of REN will before long outperform 18 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the REN's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, REN will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 14 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 16 cents. REN Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 26 cents and REN might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. REN is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 23 cents and a low of 22 cents in 2024. REN Value Expectation 2025. Assuming REN effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the REN coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, REN will be green in 2025. The REN is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 33 cents, with a base cost of 29 cents and a typical cost of 31 cents. REN Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the REN cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 38 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 37 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, REN has a greatest value worth of 41 cents. REN Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 46 cents. On the off chance that REN figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 48 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help REN needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 44 cents. REN Value Forecast 2028. While REN is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 52 cents and a yearly cost close above 55 cents in 2020. REN Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, REN will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 59 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 63 cents, averaging out at 61 cents.